Hello everyone, my name is Thanh. Today I want to present my research that I did in this semester, which is about exploring the interpretability of the machine learning model for the Alzheimer disease prediction. So I want to talk about the background of the machine learning model, which has become the important tool to making the analyzing and making the decision in multiple fields, especially in healthcare. However, the model are not just stable, which is limit the acceptance of the machine learning technique. This misjudgment is often credited to the deficiencies of the interpretability and the ability to explain the result. So I want to today I want to provide more transparent and interpretable model, just and confident can be built in the use of responsible and ethical AI application. So first, I want to introduce about the neural network model to classify the Alzheimer disease based on the handwriting data sets. However, this data is have around like 400 columns, but the number of samples is not that much. So I want to split it into based on their category, which is the memorial, graphing, and copy. So about the model, I will use the rectified linear unit and a sigmoid as the activation function. The model only developed in one hidden layer level using adaptive moment estimation as the optimization algorithm and the binary cross-entry lossy as the loss function. So I also use the various techniques such as regularization and early stopping to prevent the overfitting and improve the ability, the performance of the model. So as you can see right here, the accuracy is improved a lot from in range of 75 to 80, and we can see the number of true positive and true negative is pretty high. So however, Toast machine learning Toast model is still a black box. It just only tells us the result, but not telling us how can they do. So the second goal of this research is I want to introduce about the shape-based additive explanation. Is to help us increase the interpretability of the machine learning model. Shape is a popular technique to provide a consistent approach and explain the model output by using the concept. So I have the example here for about the COVID-19. Since we have the machine learning model is a black box, and based on the data of the COVID-19 with the old symptom as a filter to explain it. So right now is the shape we as an explainer to explain the positive filter, positive effect by symptom to for the expert person, the doctor, to making the decision is that patient is the positive or negative to the COVID. So it's provide a consistent approach to explain the model, and based on the calculating the shape value. The shape value can provide us the comprehensive and consistent explanation, and also consider the positive and combination of and contribute of the filter. So after we apply the shape value into the model, we have two kind of graph here. One is summary plot and one is the decision plot. Before move on, so I want to explain about what is this two graph doing. So summary plot is useful for the determine feature and the most impact on the model and also the performance. Which feature are the most positive or negative impact, and also the magnitude of the impact too. On other hand, the decision plot is helpful to explain for us why the model making task decision. We can see which feature are most influences on a particular prediction, and also identify the potential of bias and area of the improvement. So back to the shape, we can see after we apply the shape function to the model, we found the top filter are very significant across the all three data set. For example, they had a different top effect. However, we can see on the Task mean indicating the model have the learning rate different and learning find a better meaningful for across all three datasets. However, we can see right here on the copy task and drawing task, the present variable are the most impact to the model. On the other hand, the memory task, the airtime, and the total time is the most affect feature to the model. Yes. So after that, we conclude that the model accuracy is pretty high, around 30 to 35% for all three datasets. From the result, we also found the feature for the most influences on the classification very significant across all three categories. We found which variable, which feature are the most influenced to classify better for the model. And this research is highlight important interpretability for the machine learning model and potential as a valuable tool to understand the behavior of the model. Thank you for listening.